Hey y'all, this here's Rastus. I'm Whitty's friend, and I'm here at Whitty's mansion, which is also headquarters for all of Whitty's productions. Whitty, it's me, Rastus. Whitty? Whitty, where are you? Where is you?
Whitty, get some sleep.
No. Well, I got him put to bed. He said he was working on a new invention. Is why he's so tired. You see, a few days ago,
Son of a... Wendy!
that was the last time there wasn't going to be water in the coffee maker. Whitty invented Wid Cafe.
It's a good night for the birds and the bees. Do you see the sunlight coming through?
Whitty built it using everyday household items. Son of a... Kurt! So, whenever Whitty gets up now, the coffee maker fills itself with water automatically.
It's available soon, wherever Whitty's products are sold.